One thing I love are robot vacuum. And I know that you may or may not have ever experienced one. They're so much better today than they ever have been before. So when Mova reached out to me and wanted to sponsor a video, I was like, yeah, I wouldn't mind having the latest and greatest. And today I'm testing the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2. It pairs maxi reach with edge cleaning system and 100 degrees Celsius mop cleaning with 26,000 PA super suction. And it's so much more powerful than the one I have, I had to try it today. So I want to see if it actually delivers on all of those in a real home with like some real messes. One of the biggest things Mova is pushing with this robot is corner and edge cleaning. And I have tested this myself, as you can see here. It absolutely does that. And that's where a lot of these robots fall short. But the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 uses the Maxi Reach edge cleaning system with Robo Swing. And you can see that thing swing out here and catch the corner. I was surprised by this because a lot of these robot vacuums just kind of bump into corners and never get the edge. This tech gets things at different angles. And the claim is that it gets 99.99% corner coverage. And in my experience, believe it or not, it was accurate. What that looks like in practice is the side brush is actually feeding debris into the suction path instead of flinging it past the edge. So you get a single pass along the baseboard or into a corner, and the dust is actually gone, not just pushed somewhere else. It gets sucked right in. Under the hood, this thing is running a turbo force motor at 110,000 RPM, pushing out 26,000 PA of suction. For everyday stuff like rice, crumbs, pet hair, you want one pass confidence. You don't want to watch the robot drive over something and leave half of it behind, which happens so often with some of the cheaper ones. In my run, it picked up everything. I specifically put pretzels and rice in the middle of my kitchen. I just wanted to see if this thing would work. And as you can see, in just 2 swipes, the thing was over. It took half the first swipe and the rest the second. But the thing that I was super excited about most for this is the mop. And it does clean itself. It has 100 degrees Celsius mop self-cleaning and rapid dry. Now, I really needed this in my kitchen, in my bathroom, so I decided to give it a shot. I spilled some stuff in the middle of my kitchen. Trust me, I did that on purpose. It wasn't there before this, and gave it a go. And man, oh man, was I happy. When you have something red and sticky like this, the one thing you don't want it to do is sit there and just get sticky over time. So I ran the Mova, and here's what happened. In a single mopping pattern, the surface wasn't tacky anymore. It was just straight up clean. And here's the part that actually matters long term. When it docks, the base station washes the mop at 100 degrees Celsius. That's 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That hot wash dissolves the grime and all the stuff that was on that mop. And it helps keep the pad hygienic so you're not starting your next clean cycle with a dirty mop. Then it rapidly dries the pad so there's no sitting moisture and no musty smell. You'll pull the pad out and it's actually clean and dry, ready to go again. Navigation is what separates a useful robot from one of those expensive other brands. And it mapped my home in about 10 minutes. Check out the app here. You can see that my entire home has been mapped out. It only took about 10 minutes because it uses LiDAR, which is something that you can find on your iPhone. And it just knows exactly where everything is. The app is super easy to use. And like I said, look at real time. You can see where the vacuum is and what it's doing. I loved this feature. Being able to know where the vacuum is at any time is huge, especially if you're about to leave the house and you want to send it home. One of the coolest things you can do is you can customize exactly what it does. So if you only want to vacuum, you can select that as a clean mode. You can select mop, vacuum mop, and something that my other RoboVac didn't have, mop after vacuum. Because obviously you want to vacuum stuff up before you mop. Some of the other robot vacuums out there will just mop first, and that just makes a bunch of grimy mess. This will vacuum first and then mop up. You can also customize the suction power. I love setting it on max so you can get all 26,000 PA of power out of this thing, which is twice as much as my other RoboVac, which cost me twice the money. And this is what tripped me out. Look how well, the first time it went underneath the dining room table, how well it navigated. It just went right around the table. It's incredible. Like, it was almost like it threaded the needle. It's so cool. And that's because of the LiDAR that the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 uses. It's not gonna bump into anything you have. It made an incredibly accurate map, and it did it so fast, I was actually surprised. I've had other robots that take 30 to 40 minutes, and this one, like I said, took under 15. It charges faster than the previous generation, so there's less downtime in between runs, like if you have a large house. The base auto empties in a 3.2 liter dust bag, so you're not emptying the robot after every single session. I think this thing's gonna last me at least a couple of weeks, so it's gonna be super inexpensive for me to keep going and vacuuming every day. clean water tank is 4.5 liters, where the dirty water tank is 4 liters. And you can see here, when I had it clean my kitchen, it literally cleaned my kitchen. See the dirty water here? Ugh. It's big enough so you're not constantly refilling. And the battery is huge for longer coverage. The mop lifts up about 10 millimeters when it detects carpet, so it's not dragging the wet pad across your rugs, which is something that most of us worry about. You can see in the tank where all that juice went. It was absolutely crazy. That's the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. Huge thanks to Mova for sponsoring, and thank you for watching.